Welcome to this new class. Today we are going to learn this structure. Look, subject plus transitive verb. Transitive verb means that can take an object without the help of preposition after it. Transitive verb, then direct object means the object that is directly affected by the transitive verb. And if I ask you what is indirect object, then you have to say indirect object receive direct object, and usually indirect object comes before the direct object. And there is an exceptional thing: if you put direct object then indirect object, then you have to place a preposition between direct object and indirect object. However, you know it from my second or third class. However, so subject plus transitive verb plus direct object plus bare infinitive. Okay, bare infinitive means without to verb. Look, the man, here subject, he saw the man. Here the man is direct object. Sing, so before sing there is no to. You know that to sing is infinitive. To plus verb is called infinitive, right? But here there is no to. So whether here to will come or not, that will be determined by the verb. There are some certain verbs that need here to before to, and there are some certain verbs that don't need to, right? So look, he saw the man sing. So you have to memorize this kind of verb, otherwise it will be difficult. However, let me take another example. Okay, so we watched the plane land. Look, here I am not using any to. We watched the plane to land. I am not using that. I am just using a simple verb without to. So that is why these are the bare infinitive, right? Okay. So sentences of this pattern express a completed activity, right? In this pattern, an infinitive is used without to. Look, I heard her sing, not to sing. Right? I heard her sing, not to sing. So remember this case, and thank you for viewing this video. Be well.